Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make an unboxing video, and this video will be maybe a little bit longer than usual unboxing videos because I will make the unboxing of 4 packages that I received today. They didn't arrive today, they arrived over some time at my workplace, and today was when I got back there, so I got all these that were stored waiting for me, and that's it. I will continue working mostly from home, but there will be some days that I will have to work at my real workplace, and so this was the first of those days, and I got all these for myself, which is quite nice. What I have to tell you is that 3 packages come from China, and they are Chinese pens, and the other one comes from where? I don't remember, but I think it comes from Germany, and it is a older Kaweco pen. So 3 Chinese pens and 1 Kaweco pen. You know, let's start, and I will start by this one because this one is easier to identify. And my Victorinox Solo, let's start. Sometimes I buy some Chinese pens because Chinese pens are often nice to try, but also because some of them are getting so well known online that I think I need to try them and to have some for comparison. And here it is. You can see there retro, and this is the Kaweco, don't know how you'd say, retro in black. There it is. This pen has been released for some time, and only only recently I decided to go for one. It comes in this interesting box, plastic box, with 2 ink cartridges. It seems like black ink, which is nice, nicer than blue ink for my personal preference. A converter, it takes international cartridges, and okay, no, this doesn't unscrew. This is the section, it's a pull off cap. I've seen some reviews for it, not that recently, so I don't really remember. This is that kind of Parker 51, another one, and I think it will be nice to review. All the reviews online are very positive, and I think this is kind of fun. And so this will be my take at the Kaweco Retro. I already reviewed a Kaweco pen before, and it was the Kaweco Edge. The cap cracked and we had those problems, so the pen actually is garbage, but the nib is quite good, and I have there because maybe one day I will use that nib for some other pen. And let's go to the next one. Try to keep the video as short as possible. Let me check where is the pen, because I'm doing this the rough way. I'm cutting through, because if I try to untape and to unwrap all these, it will take too much time. So I need to be careful not to hit the pen with the knife. And there is the pen, and let me take it out. Okay, and this is another of Chinese pens. This is a pen that is very controversial. I think the only one that is not controversial at all, at least I don't think so, is the Kaweco, what is it called, Retro, because it is the same kind. It is inspired in the design of the Parker 51, but it's not the same kind of design exactly. So I think there is no copyrights or anything that is going to be harmed by this, but this one is a pen that is very similar to a Parker Centennial Dufold, a pen that I love, the Parker Centennial Dufold, but sometimes I can't avoid to get these pens because I find them really, really nice. And you can see this has this red and white color. I think they call it ice red, but in some places they call it koi finish, inspired in the koi fishes, because it's red and white. I think this is a beautiful finish, and I really like these pens. I also like Parker Dufold, so I'm not saying that I prefer these ones over the other. No, I love Parker Dufold, but I love this design actually, so I got one. And this one has this band or food and nib that I'm quite interested to try. I never tried a bent nib, except for those Pen BBS nibs that only have a slight upturn, they are not really bent nibs. And let's go for the next one. And this will be a controversial one, of course. I don't remember which color I will find inside, but I know this is also a controversial pen. Okay, and I can see that velvety pouch there. Sorry, it was out of camera. This one was an easy one. And here it is. And this looks nice. And what is this? No, it is not a Jinhao Centennial like this one. This is a Moonman M600S, which is also an obvious inspiration on the Parker Centennial Dufold, some size. They share many common designs, and this one has this beautiful finish, the Moonman nib, but it has this amber finish. It is transparent somehow. You can see there the converter inside. Also that one had the converter, and I think this one looks nice. This material is very beautiful, the amber. It is the first pen of this kind of Chinese material around that I have in amber color, so quite nice. And now let's go to the final one, and I don't think it will be controversial to a point where people will start fighting each other, not that kind of thing, but this may be controversial. The one that is inside this package is not. And here it is. Let's take the package away and take this out and try to unwrap this. This is a vintage Kaweco pen, a Kaweco V75. At least that's what I remember it was. It has been a very long time because I bought this pen and it arrived almost after I started working from home, so it has been there for maybe 3 months or more. And this is that beautiful dark grey Kaweco kind of pen. It is a piston filler and it's there. I don't know if you can read it. V75 oblique medium nib. The ink window is dirty, okay. That's something we can clean. The piston knob doesn't move. No, it does. It was just very tightly screwed in place, but no piston move. Okay, it came all out. Okay, that's not a problem. I will fix this. It is easy, I guess. This is just okay. Now it is working. Okay, I will have to make this work again, and I think it will not be that difficult. I have to screw this back on, and I have to lubricate these. And now let me try to move and see if the piston moves instead of unscrewing the piston. And no, it's not happening. Okay, I see what is happening is that when I unscrew these, it unscrews the full piston unit instead of just turning the knob. I'll have to put these all in place. This is not hard to repair. I will do it, and then I will show you the pen writing one of these days. The nib is quite fun. Is this kind of very small hidden nibs of Kaweco, which, sorry, out of focus. I find them quite interesting. So this is all I had to show you. 4 pens, 3 from China, 1 from Germany, a vintage and 3 modern pens. 2 of them I would say quite original in their design, and the other 2 are obviously heavily inspired by an existent one. So this is all I had to show you. Lots of pens. I will have many things to review in the next days. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for another video. Bye.